Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to use Rhythmboard Discord. In order to use Rhythmboard on Discord, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, open up your browser. What you need to do is here, you simply want to go ahead and type in Rhythmboard and hit enter. After which you want to simply go to this second link, that is Discord Rhythmboard. You want to click that out. After which you simply want to click on add app. Once you do it so, you want to go ahead and click on add to server. Then you simply want to follow this on-screen prompt and select the server and click on the continue button and give the authorize section. As you've done it so, click on the server or go to the server and then you'll be taken to this page. Now in order to set it up, what you have to do is you simply want to locate a Rhythmboard from here. So you just need to go ahead and give slash and then type in help slash, and then you want to go ahead and click on the Rhythmboard. Go to this. After which you could see the commands. Now you just have to make sure to follow this prompt and you'll have successfully added and you'll be able to use the Rhythmboard in Discord. That is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.